hidden institutions are charging you anonymously. Welcome to our channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us but often goes unnoticed: hidden institutions that are charging you anonymously. This isn't just about money, it's about your privacy and security. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover might just shock you. So, what do we mean by hidden institutions? These are organizations or entities that have access to your financial information and can charge you without your explicit consent or knowledge. These charges might appear as small, recurring transactions that are easy to overlook. But over time, they can add up to significant amounts. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. Have you ever seen a small charge on your credit card statement that you didn't recognize? Maybe it was just a few dollars, so you ignored it. These are often the work of hidden institutions. I started noticing these small charges, like $1.99 or $2.99 every month. At first, I thought it was nothing, but then I realized they were adding up. I contacted my bank, and they told me it was a subscription service I never signed up for. This is a common tactic used by hidden institutions to siphon off money unnoticed. These institutions often operate in the shadows, using loopholes and vague terms of service agreements to get your consent without you realizing it. They might offer free trials or hidden fees within services you do use, making it hard to identify the source. Now that we know the problem, how can we protect ourselves? Regularly review your statements. Look for any charges you don't recognize. Use financial management tools. Apps that categorize and flag unusual transactions. Be wary of free trials. Always read the terms and know when the trial ends. Set up alerts. Many banks offer alerts for transactions over a certain amount. Report suspicious activity. Contact your bank or card issuer immediately. Hidden institutions thrive on anonymity and our inattention. By staying vigilant and proactive, we can protect our hard-earned money and our personal information. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. And remember, always keep an eye on your finances.